Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of bureaucracy. A system of government in which most of the important decisions are made by state officials rather than by elected representatives. For example, virtually all corporations and government bureaucracies are dictatorship. American pronunciation. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Bureaucracy. Say. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy means system of government. Bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Virtually all corporations and government bureaucracies are dictatorship. Now, repeat after me. Virtually all corporations and government bureaucracies are dictatorship. The second practice. Dawa had been working under Chinese bureaucracy for quite some time. Now, repeat after me. Dawa had been working under Chinese bureaucracy for quite some time.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.